Major development tonight in Florida's home insurance crisis. The state's My Safe Florida Home program is out of money for new applications after being open for just 10 days. This was just posted onto the program's website. It's the state's home hardening program meant to help homeowners lower rates. You may remember this very program also ran out of money last year, and the state had to replenish it with $200 million this year. But that money is now gone again. We're told anyone who received an application between July 1st and last Friday is now moving forward. And this all comes as we continue to get emails from many of you that your home insurance premiums are still going up. Or in the case of one Ruskin homeowner, you're getting dropped altogether. Tonight, ABC Action News anchor Nadine Yanis finds answers for him and for you.
Lionel emailed us saying that his home in Ruskin is a recently new built. It was built in 2017, has hurricane impact doors and windows, and that he's never put in a claim. So when he got the notice that he was being dropped by Florida Peninsula in the middle of hurricane season, he reached out. He wants to know two things. Why is he being dropped, and who else is getting dropped as well?
I said I have to contact you, try to see if you can do a little bit investigation on this for me.
I caught up with Lionel St. Hilary in between some time at work, surprised and upset when he got this notice he was being dropped by Florida Peninsula in May.
Why do they choose to not renew my policy?
On the notice, the company wrote they are reducing their exposure to hurricanes.
That little information that they sent me, but that it's not enough to understand why.
Lionel said the company asked about his solar panels months ago and wants to know if that's the reason he was dropped.
Have you heard of Florida Peninsula not renewing policies?
We don't know beyond the one viewer that contacted you. Are there more? We're not aware of it.
We took Lionel's questions to Mark Friedlander with the Insurance Information Institute.
It's very common for property insurers to reassess their risk exposures and perhaps make adjustments to the types of policies they are writing, meaning the potential that some customers could get non-renewed.
I just want you to know where his confusion comes in. His home was a newer build, has all hurricane impact windows and doors. He's not far from the coast.
We just don't know at this point. Every company has different underwriting standards. Some look at risks in certain areas and say we want to have less risk overall in a certain zip code or a certain community. They want to spread their risk more. We have heard of some policyholders being dropped because of solar panels. Determination of these companies is that solar panels could cause significant damage to the property.
So I emailed Florida Peninsula. I also emailed the State Office of Insurance Regulation to see just how many people could be dropped by Florida Peninsula. We are still waiting to hear back. In the meantime, if you are looking for insurance resources or want to connect directly with me with your insurance questions, head over to abcactionnews.com/insurance. In Hillsborough County, I'm Nadine Yanis, ABC Action News.
Nadine, thank you. And you can connect with Nadine and our team directly right now as well. Just grab your phone, scan that QR code on the screen, and tell us your insurance story. And then it will be sent directly to our team to investigate as we continue to look for solutions.